Hi, boys and girls. I've received a lot of messages and emails asking for more details about Luma optimization. So, I decided to record a video because writing long answers to everyone would take too much time. Previously, there was a full theme. It still exists, but over time, I realized that almost no one installs theme. People think you just install a theme and that's it, but it actually requires full replatforming and redesign. That old theme depended on this module. Now we've moved many elements from the theme into the module itself, so you don't need a theme anymore. All the important customizations are already in the module. I'll show you how it works. You just install the module on any theme. We place the code in app/code. It's better than using Composer because you might want to change something. If you find something that can be improved, submit it back. It's all open source and community driven. After installing, you move the static files from the module into your theme. These are optimized files from our theme or yours. If you're using a custom theme, you'll need to optimize the files for your setup. There's a service for that, PurifyCSS. You can install it locally or use it online to optimize the file. After each deployment, especially if you've changed anything in the CSS, you need to update the optimized files to match. These files don't update automatically. They're specific to your theme version. You just need to align them manually. We've only optimized the product and category pages. Other pages, like the account area, cart, remain default and not optimized. We're not changing the theme, we're just optimizing certain pages. You can optimize more pages like the checkout, but it's not required. It won't bring much benefit. You'll see we have styles for product and full CSS optimized only for mobile. We don't optimize desktop styles. They stay the same as the default. We leave those untouched. You can disable CSS optimization globally in the admin panel or disable it per page using flags like CSS React equals false. We do performance comparisons with and without optimization using Lighthouse. Even without optimization, the results are good, and with it, we get perfect scores. The reason for that is the default theme loads everything, all the junk, accounts, checkout, etc. We're optimizing the files for a specific theme and use case. We remove everything unnecessary, so now we have optimized files and we run Lighthouse again and everything works perfectly. And the CSS is the main Magento 2 Luma theme problem. Another issue is the gallery. It was terrible. That default Photorama gallery is rendered with JavaScript with the delay. It shows a placeholder image that updated on JS load and DOM changes, which caused slow rendering. Now the gallery here is also replaced. The menu supports 2 levels, just like Hiva. No one really uses deeper menus anyway. You can check the menu. 2 levels is enough. This theme was originally developed in 2019 and became the base for the Hiva and Breeze themes. The idea of optimization, they have the same. We used to have installable custom theme, but then I realized you don't have to. To make a site fast, you just need to remove all the unnecessary stuff from the core. No need to reinvent the wheel, just remove the junk. So we go further. We now have 2 flags, like JSJJunk equals false. What do we see? Now we get full JS functionality. All Magento modules and customizations work. We didn't change any JavaScript, and we can confirm that JavaScript has no negative impact on performance. In some cases, accessibility score drops slightly because some elements are drawn dynamically. They need to be fixed. So what do we see? Themes don't magically improve performance. If you remove the heavy CSS and unnecessary JavaScript, it will be fast. Even without removing JavaScript, Luma is fast. The difference is about 10 ms block time compared to 0 before with React-Luma because the files are optimized. Now, we also have quite a bit of JavaScript here already, and in the archives I've seen from agencies, they're always bloated, tons of DOM elements, nested wrappers. You don't need that. Just write simple code, ask questions, study how things work, explore different approaches. and you'll be fine. So what do we have here? You can disable the CSS layer, optimization, and JavaScript, and it will still be fast. The gallery has been customized. I haven't added an option to disable it yet, but I might. I recommend you install this module. Here's where it goes. It should go in app/code, not vendor. Use the module, fix bugs if you find them, contribute back. The license was recently changed to MIT, so you can now use it even in commercial projects. That's it. No license traps, no hacks, no spam. Goodbye, and have a great day.